YouTube channel. My name is Tinolo, and I made this video because I wanted to share certain stuff with you guys. I am a law graduate and I wanted to share my law experience with you. I wanted to share certain information with you, especially if you are into the law fraternity, the legal fraternity, and especially if you are looking out to get more information about it, or especially if you want to be if you're thinking of studying law and then going through the legal route. So I believe that me sharing these things with you will be your new home. You will be your new space. Okay. So I'm hoping that the information that I'll be sharing will be of help to you. So I am a law graduate. I went to study LLB law with UNISA, that is the University of South Africa. And I did my LLB for 5 years, not for 4 years, for 5 years. I didn't finish it in record time. The reason that I'm doing this video and the reason why I'm like this is because I want it to be relatable. Okay, I want people to relate, to be able to relate, because all the time when what we show you is the pretty things, and we never ever show you the ugly of the uglier side of things. So you end up not relating to our content. But the reason that I've made this video and the reason why I'm like this, it's because I want it to be relatable. I want people to relate, because honestly speaking, this is my reality. Okay, so I went in to apply for law. I did it for 5 years, although LLB law takes up to 4 years for you to finish. It's a 4-year degree. So whenever you're thinking of applying, just know that you are applying for a 4-year degree. I'm talking about LLB in this instance. I won't say much about BA. I won't say much about BCom. I won't say much about diploma in law, because I don't have any experiences of such, but I'll be talking more about LLB as LLB law, because I have experienced it. Okay, so it is a 4-year degree. You take it up to 4 years. Mind you, just know that I won't say that LLB is hard, but I would say that it has a lot of work. So you have to keep up with the work. You need not to be lazy if you want to be studying LLB law, because all law for that matter, because there's a lot into it. You have to be a person that does not get tired of wanting to learn, of wanting to know new things. So there's a lot in it. Whenever you're going to apply for LLB, just know that you are entering into a space of forever learning. So you don't have to be a person that's lazy to learn, or that's ignorant, or that's, you just have to be open-minded, and you just have to just learn. You just have to learn. Okay, so after you are done with before you are done with your LLB, during the time you will be doing your LLB, you need to apply for vacation work. Vacation work is whereby you go and you work for like a week or two into the legal space, just so you get an idea of what's happening in the legal fraternity. You may be going to work into a law firm. for a week, and you'll be somehow shadowing an experienced person that will be showing you the work, that will be giving you an idea of how the work is done, what happens into a day-to-day life of a legal practitioner. So you will have to apply for vacation work for your own benefit, and you again have to, it's advisable, it's not a must, but it's advisable for you to do that. You might again consider joining moot court competitions, just so that you equip yourself with experience and with the knowledge of how things are done and how things are dealt with in the legal fraternity. So after you are done with those things, you'll have an idea of what is required or what is done in in the fraternity. So after you're done with your 4-year degree, you have to now make a consideration of whether you want to be in compliance or you want to pursue the legal route as a legal practitioner. That being said, you want to be an attorney, you want to be an advocate, or you want to be a prosecutor. So I'll start by, when you want to become an attorney or an attorney of the court, you will be required to apply for articles. That is called private vocational training. Or yeah, you'll be required to apply for articles. Articles will take up for 2 years. So you'll be doing your articles for 2 years with a certain law firm. You have to apply for those articles. You have to apply for articles with a law firm. They will take up for 2 years. If you want to do your articles for about a year, then you have to go to law school and get your PLT. Then after, you can apply for articles, and then you'll be doing your articles for like a year. Okay, so yeah, PLT can be you can do it up to, say, 6 months, if I'm not mistaken, plus minus 6 months. Then you will know that excuse me, then you'll know that you can be able to take up your articles to a year. But I heard that it's advisable for you to at least do your articles for 2 years, for experience, for the purposes of experience, being experienced. And yeah, that's just about it with being an attorney. You go and do your articles for 1 or 2 years, depending on whether or not you went to law school. Then after you write a board exam, when you have passed that board exam, then you can, after, apply to be admitted as an attorney of the court, an attorney of the court. And if you want to become an advocate, you are going to have to apply for pupilage, which is what I did. I applied for pupilage, and I was told that it's going to be a whole lot of a straining journey, but it's okay. I'll be feeding you guys almost once a week on my pupilage journey. That's the purpose of me doing this video, is because of, I wanted to share my journey of pupilage with you guys. So yeah, that's why I decided to start with this video. So if you want to become an advocate, you apply for pupilage with chambers. Say maybe you want to become an advocate in Pretoria, then you will have to apply for pupilage with, I'll just make an example, with Babasa, or with PSA, that is Pretoria Society of Advocates. Then you apply for your pupilage there. Then after you apply for your pupilage, you will be called, some will call you to write an exam, as in the process of like picking their prospective peoples. You may be required to write an exam, and you may, if you pass that exam, you may be required to go for an interview with the PSA or the Babas, or just the chambers. They might call you for an interview. If you do well in your interview, then they might call you in for your pupilage, to start your pupilage with them, and they are going to allocate a mentor for you, which will be mentoring you, and which you will be somehow attending courts with and doing work with the person that will be showing you how the work is done. The advocate's work is done in that field. Excuse me. I hope I'm making sense so far, because just hope I'm making sense. Okay, so if you want to become a prosecutor, you are going to apply for the aspirant prosecutor program with the NPA. Those will require you, if you get accepted, if your application goes through, then you'll be required to write an exam. And if you pass that exam with them, you will be called for an interview as well. And then if you pass the interview, then you will be placed with a mentor as well, that will show you the prosecutor work. So yeah, I think the information that I've just said right now has helped, will be helping so many of you, because I didn't have this information. I didn't make enough research. I got into the space, I got into the legal fraternity with not knowing the kind of space it is. I went in without making any research, and I just learned through the process that if you want to be successful in this field, then you have to learn. You have to keep on learning and learning and learning and learning and learning. So if you have any questions with regarding to what I've just shared with you guys, please comment to this video. If you have anything that you need to just add into this information, just please comment it below, and I'll be going through the comments, and I'll be answering the comments in the next video. Please like and subscribe for more content to my channel and to my video, so that I can know that you like this video. I can know that you love my content, and I'll be making more videos. But mind you, next time I won't be coming looking this crusty. Next time I will be coming to you looking all good, all put up. But I'm not promising you anything. I just whenever there's gonna be information that comes into the table that I need to address with you guys, I will just come in however. Because the main important thing here is to pass on information to people. I just hope that the information that I've passed through will help you guys and will get you out of your misery, those who don't know, those who don't understand exactly, and those who just can't find straightforward information. Then you'll have your answers. I love you so much, and I want to be making relationship with you guys. I want to be in this space with you guys, and I hope you'll love me back. I hope that I'll be more helpful to you. So I'll be sharing other content about modules that some of you might find difficult. Then if you have any module that you might be struggling with, I'll try to make videos of like tutorial videos of such modules. So I just want to interact with you. I just want to be in a space where we'll be interacting with love, kindness, and yeah, I love you. I love you. I love you.